Hi guys! Ging is here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be going to Valencia together with my friends. So, let's go! Hello everyone, sorry to keep you waiting. So, we are here now together with the friends. And yeah, we're heading now to the house of the May and Paul friends. They invited us to because as what they said, they have ukay stuff, and yeah, I'd love to visit and take a look what's on there. So after 5 minutes driving guys from the motorbike, we are finally here. There you go. And that is my friend Gracie. She is too busy. Anyway, she has a own channel. She just started, and you can search short province girl. And yeah, as we can see, that's the motorbike of our friends. There they are. And yeah, this is the house of Auntie Lucy. Auntie Lucy have a business called ukay. An ukay is a Philippine store where second-hand apparel such as clothes, bags, shoes, and other accessories are being sold at a cheap bargain price. Items sold at the ukay are commonly imported from North American or European countries. So as we can see, there are lots of customers besides from my friends. And yeah, I am a lover of ukay because um ukay is cheap and the price is very affordable. And besides from that, ukay also has a good brand and quality. I think most of Filipina love to go ukay store because because of the affordable price, the good brand and quality. And yeah, you know, Filipina love cheaper price, and we always like to bargain when it comes to the price. We can find here like dresses, jogging pants, t-shirt, like this beautiful dress, the white dress. It's really nice. It's still new, really good quality. And yeah, you can find the good one stuff here. Jacket, polo shirt, jeans, and many others. You can find also here like um, bikinis, cheaper bikinis, um, tops, short for guys or man. As we can see here, there are lots. I take so much time, guys, to my head getting. I get a headaches to. I get a headaches to find because my size is really hard to find the size for me because I am very small, and you know American size is really huge. And the shirt is really big. Waist is really big for me. I uh, what do you got? How much?
It's I don't know. because I bought 4 and
Okay.
then I paid 200. Yeah, like
What else you have?
I have shorts. I have shorts here. It's very sexy, you know. You want me
Yeah.
to try it on?
Yes.
Huh?
No, next time.
Okay. Yay!
That would mean you have to get naked. Go ahead. Right there. There you go.
No. No. And this one too. It's nice. I like it.
What?
It's like coffee, but it tastes like everything like that.
And last one. It's polo shirt.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the color. It's my favorite color, and it's extra small, but it's a little bit bigger for me. But it's okay. That's all. So what you got? Jacket. What is this jacket? It's a long sleeve, checkered. I like the color, the combination. Yeah. How much? 35. 35 pesos. Yeah, it's worth it. What else? Oh, I like that. It's so cute. I like that. Yeah, that one. I saw that, so I decided to give it to you. Thank you. Hoping that you will like it, and I'm glad that you liked it. Very cute. This is only free. Really? Wow. The cloth is very soft. Right? Yeah, it is. Soft and it's thin and soft. Yeah, that blouse fits on your leggings.
Ano ra yan ng ice cream? Kung butang avocado ni. Ano na siguro pen?
I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and please click the button like, share and subscribe.